Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Hustle Academy. Today I'm inside UGC Video AI and I'm going to show you how to create a realistic UGC video using an AI avatar and take you through the process step by step, from creating the character to adding motion, voice, and finally generating the finished video, all on one platform.
Welcome to Digital Hustle Academy, your ultimate guide to mastering digital skills and making money online.
Now that we are inside UGC Video AI, let's start with the creation of the character feature. Here you can create a realistic AI character that can be used for different types of content, including UGC videos, advertisement, and social media content. First, for this demonstration, I will create a realistic AI character that we can use throughout this tutorial. What I like about this process is that you can create a character specifically for the type of content you want to produce, rather than having to film a real person every time you need new content. Once the character is generated, we can then take it into the other tools on the platform and turn the character into different type of videos, and this is the character we'll be using for the next demonstration. Now that we have created our AI character, let's see how we can turn this character into a video. This is where the character video feature comes in. It allows us to take our AI character and bring it to life with realistic movement and expression. For this demonstration, I'm going to create a short video of 8 seconds, but you can do it in up to 15 seconds. I chose 8 seconds video in a 16:9 format and see how realistic the final result looks. Let's create the video. And this is our final product. Let's move on to the talking video feature. This is where we can take our character and turn it into a speaking video without having to record ourselves on camera. To get started, I will select the talking video option. Here we can choose the character we want to use and then provide the content we want our character to see, depending on the type of video we are creating. This could be a product introduction, a social media video, an advertisement, or simply an informal video. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a short script and have our AI character deliver it. I will enter the script, check the available setting, and then start the generation. Once the generation begins, UGC Video AI processes the character and the script to create the talking video. And now we can see the result. Notice that our character is not just displaying a static image. She is actually delivering the script with facial movement and natural looking expression. This is particularly useful if you are creating content regularly and don't want to record yourself every time you need a video. For example, you could create several different scripts for the same character and generate multiple pieces of content for different campaigns or social media platforms.
Hey everyone, if you've ever wanted to create engaging videos without having to film yourself every time, AI can make that process a lot easier. In this video, I'm testing out UGCvideo AI to see how realistic an AI character can look and sound. Let's see what it can do.
Now, let's move on to another interesting feature in UGC Video AI called Motion Sync. Motion Sync allows us to take the movement from a reference video and apply that motion to our AI character. This can be especially useful when you want your AI character to perform a specific movement or create content that feels more dynamic and natural. To demonstrate how it works, I will start by selecting motion sync and choosing the AI character that we created earlier. Next, I will add a reference video containing the movement that I want my character to perform, or I can just write it out, a prompt about motion sync. Once everything is ready, I will start the generation process. Now, we will let UGC Video AI process the reference movement and apply it to our character. And here is the result.
Hey everyone! If you've ever wanted to create engaging videos without having to film yourself every time, AI can make that process a lot easier. In this video, I'm testing out UGCvideo AI to see how realistic an AI character can look and sound. Let's see what it can do.
As you can see, our character is now following the movement from the reference video. This gives us much more flexibility when creating content because
if you are creating content for social media, you know how difficult it can be to constantly come up with new videos. But with AI tools like this, you can create engaging video content without having to record yourself every time. The best part is that you can create different videos using the same AI character and adapt the content for different campaigns.
I have to say, the results are just incredible. It really changes the entire game for me. You need to try this.
now let us move on to UGC Ad video. This is where we can take our AI generated character and create UGC style advertising content designed to promote a product, service, app, or brand. For this demonstration, I'm going to create a short UGC advertisement using the AI character we created earlier. I will start by selecting UGC Ad video. From here, we can set up the content for the advertisement. The first thing I want to do is introduce what we are For a UGC ad, the script is very important because we want the video to feel natural and engaging rather than simply sounding like a traditional commercial. So I'll add a short script that next I will select our AI character and adjust the available setting for the video. Once everything is ready, I will start the generation. Now, UGC AI video will create the character advertisement video based on the character script and settings we've selected. And here is the final result.
Okay, I have to share this with you all. If you struggle with maintaining that natural healthy glow, you need to see this. I've been using this new skincare routine for a few weeks and honestly, it's amazing. It feels so lightweight and it really embraces my natural skin texture. Seriously, you guys have to check this out. Trust me on this one.
寻找提升日常餐点风味的秘诀，看这里，这是 Levantine Za'atar 混合香料，装在这个精致的多边形玻璃罐里。看着标签，真正的 hand-picked。让我们打开它，哇，纯正的棕绿色，里面还有满满的芝麻颗粒，质地太棒了，足足170 gram 的分量。赶紧带回家，给你的下一顿美食加点料吧。
So for the next one, I created a clone photo and template. The idea behind this feature was to make it easier to create new content while maintaining a consistent visual style. For this demonstration, I've already created a photo template that I can use as the visual foundation for my content. Let me show you how the process works. First, I'll select the template I've created and bring it into the workflow. Then using a template gives me a starting point instead of having to create the visual from scratch every time. So I use the template that was already made in the app. Then I use my photo to create a template for it. The benefit of working with template is that once you have a format or visual style that works for your brand, you can reuse that structure when creating additional content. This can be easily helpful when you're producing content in batches because you don't have to start from zero for every new creative. For example, you create a different version of your content using the same visual concept while changing the character, message, product, or other element depending on the campaign. And when combined with AI generated characters and video creation, this can make the content production process much faster. So, before we wrap up, there's also a bonus for new UGC Video AI user that you should know about. When you register for a new account, you receive 30 credit to get started. And after you complete your first generation, as long as a generation task has been initiated, you receive an additional 30 credit. So that's total of 60 credit available through these two steps, giving you an opportunity to explore the platform and try out its different AI video creation feature. If you're interested in trying UGC Video AI for yourself, you can find the registration link in the description and in the pinned comment below.
Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to master your digital hustle.